Look at the array city. Who can describe what kind of community we constructed right here? What kind of community did we build, Abram? Urban community. Who can describe an urban community for me?
It has tall buildings.
Tall buildings. Very good. Now, I want you to pat your shoulder partner on the back and say, you did awesome in your lesson today.
Awesome.
All right, boys and girls, y'all ready for math today?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to start with our everyday math counts. I'm going to pull a stick. Number 16. Okay? So you're going to go to our everyday math count board.
What does the calendar piece say?
And you pull a stick to some opposite number.
Number 11.
Number 11.
But what is it?
Say your question again.
What is the calendar piece today?
What is the calendar piece today?
Moving. Trapezoid.
Hey, class, tell me what you know about a trapezoid with your hands. Everybody.
A trapezoid contraction.
Very good. Abram, ask another question about the board for today.
What day of the month is it?
What day of the month?
18.
Number 18.
December.
Day of the month.
Oh. 19.
The 19th. Very good.
5.
Number 5. What time's on our clock today? 14. Does anybody want to ask Madison a question about that answer she gave us? Brylan.
How did she do that?
How did you get that answer, Madison?
I counted by fives and I got to 10, and the hour hand is pointing before the 4, so it's 14.
Very good job.
What fraction of pennies are there?
What fraction of pennies are there? So think about it. Figure out what fraction of pennies are there. And then you're going to choose a stick for somebody to answer.
15.
Number 15. 5/15 of pennies. Is she correct?
Yes.
Let's count our coins in the bank today. You ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Very good job. 5/15 are our coins or pennies today. Thank you, Peyton. You can have a seat. Can somebody tell me how much a penny is worth? Okay, Brianna. 1 cent. What about a quarter? Aiden Roban?
A quarter is 25.
And what about a nickel? Madison Burns.
It's worth 5 cents.
5 cents. And a dime. Amelia Ordway. 10 cents. Very good. Class.
Yes!
We're going to start on our lesson today. Can someone read what our lesson's going to be about? Abram. Welcome to our hood array city. What can you tell me about an array? Somebody raise their hand. Jenna, what do you know about an array?
It goes up and down and side to side.
And what do we call the up and down and side to side pieces of an array?
Vertical and horizontal.
Vertical with your vertical. Very good. What's an array made of? Everett.
Rows.
And rows, and who else knows? Okay, Brianna? Columns. Make your arms do a row. Make your arms do a column. Very good. Our learning target today. Let's see who's going to read it for me. And our learning target tells us what we're going to learn about. Number 14.
I can demonstrate the commutative of multiplication and practice related facts by skip counting objects in array models.
What words do we know in our learning target today? What are some words we know, Aaron?
Communicative.
Communitive. Show me with your arms what communitive means.
Switch.
They can switch places. Very good. Another word we know. Jalea.
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Somebody tell me what they know about multiplication. Danny, what do you know?
I know that, to do this, so
You have to do the times sign. Very good.
with the numbers.
With the numbers. Good.
Times.
Bryce?
Array.
An array. We talked about an array. Good job. Manny?
Anything times 0 is always 0.
Anything times 0 is always 0. Very good. Whiteboards out. Let me see my group leaders get their whiteboards out. Here's the pelicans are ready. Good job. Magnolias and alligators. Okay, I need your board to be vertical. Make sure your board is vertical. Remember, do vertical with your arms.
Vertical.
Make your board vertical. Skip count by 3s 4 times and write each number. Let's practice skip counting by 3s. Begin.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Count it out to 30.
Very good. So on your personal whiteboard, I want you to skip count by 3s 4 times. Only 4 times. Skip count by 3s 4 times. And give me red. Skip count by 3 4 times. And give me red. You can give me happy pencil when you're ready. Good job. Skip count by 3 too. 4 times. Let me see your boards. Very good. And we wrote each number. Do not erase your board. Put it down. Now draw an array to match your count where the number of rows represents the number of groups. So how many groups do we have, guys? 4. So you need to draw an array that matches 4 groups of 3. An array that matches 4 groups of 3. Very good job, Amelia Ordway. An array of 4 groups of 3. Good job, Kennedy. Then red up. No. My board and draw what you drew on your board. Anywhere on there. Give me a thumbs up if you agree with Aaron's drawing. A thumbs up. Does anybody have a question for Aaron about what she drew? Bryce.
How would it be if you could commute to?
If you would commute the array, what would you have, Aaron?
3 groups of 4.
Very good. Okay, flip boards. Don't erase yet. Now turn your board. Don't erase. Turn your board so that it's horizontal. How many rows and columns does it show now, class?
3 groups of 4.
Okay, I want you to talk with your partner about the difference between the 2 arrays. Teach.
Okay.
4 groups of 3. 3 rows and 2 different ways.
Class.
Yes, yes.
Very good discussion. Please erase your boards. Now, I want you to use the commutative property to write 2 multiplication facts for that array that we drew. On your board, write 2 multiplication facts for that array. 2 multiplication facts. And red when you finish so I can see who's done. And boards up. Very good. Pat your shoulder partner on the back and tell them they did a good job. Let's see who's going to come write a sentence for me. A multiplication sentence. Number 20. Come on down, Danny. A multiplication sentence for that array. Very good. Any questions for Danny? Taylor has a question. How did you know that it equaled 12, Danny? That's a great question.
Because I counted by 3.
You say it again?
I counted by 3.
To get your answer. Very good. Number 4. Come write another multiplication sentence for us. Very good. Check your work on your board. Make sure it matches what Bryce and Danny did. Okay? Brylan. Brylan has a hot question for Bryce. What you got? How did you get that answer, Bryce?
I counted by 4s 3 times.
So this time he counted by 4s. I want us to count by 4s 3 times.
4, 8, 12.
Very good. Your partner to draw an array that shows 5 rows and 3 columns. Columns. And you can do red when you're ready. 5 rows and 3 columns.
Yes.
Class.
Yes!
Number 5. Come share your array that you drew, you and your partner. Come show us what you drew up here. Don't erase your boards. Keep your board. 5 rows and 3 columns. Very good. Check you and your partner's work to make sure it matches Madison's work. Okay? Now write an equation to match your array. Work with your partner. Write an equation to match that array. Good job. Work with your partner. An equation that matches that array. Good job. Okay, Brianna, let's write an equation that matches this array, please. Who agrees with Brianna? Give me a thumbs up. Is there another way we could write this equation and get the same answer? Is there another way, Everett? Well, can you come show us another way to write that equation and get the same product? Very good. Thumbs up if you agree with Everett. What did we do? What property is that when they can switch places? Everybody.
Commutative property.
Forms one more time. Very good. Write the equation to the new array. Even if you have it on your board already, write the equation to the new array when we rotated it to 3 rows of 5. Talk with your partner and explain the difference between those 2 arrays. Talk with your partner.
To make it vertical, it's 5, 3 rows of 5, and then you make it horizontal, it's 5.
I want you to think of a problem of 7 rows of 2. Think of it in your head. 7 rows of 2. Now I want you to write the array for that problem on your whiteboard. 7 rows of 2 on your whiteboard. Just the array. Now I want you to pair with your shoulder partner and check your arrays and see if you'll have the same array.
Yep. Same array.
1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
4, 5, 6, eyes on me.
Very good. Let me choose somebody to come draw the array and write the multiplication sentence. Number 11. Come on down, Everett. Draw the array for me. Don't put your arm on the board. Do y'all agree with Everett?
Yes.
Okay, number 14. Go write a multiplication fact to match that array. Very good job today. Bryce, do you have a question?
How would you write the division fact?
That's really good. How would you write the division equation? Taylor knows. Come write a division equation. Good job, Bryce. Hard worker brag tag goes to Bryce today. What do we do when someone gets a brag tag? Okay. Let's look at Taylor's equation. Okay? Somebody tell me what 14 means in that equation.
Ooh.
Zakira. The total divided by 2 columns equals a quotient. Hey, you are going to get an activity sheet with word problems. You will choose 4 out of the 9. Where are you going to work them out first?
On your whiteboard.
And you're going to transfer them to your paper. So choose 4 of the whiteboards. When you are done, you may get an iPad, but you must ask first. Which one did you choose, Abram? The first one, what does it say? Read it for me.
Draw an array that shows 5 rows with 6 iron multiplications by array.
Very good. And tell me what you're drawing.
5 rows of 6 and multiplications.
And a multiplication sentence. Very good. You can choose any 4 problems. You choose 4 of the problems that you want to choose.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
So what's our product going to be?
35.
Okay? And you have to write one more thing. What does Miss Kelly always tell you to write? Model.
Equation.
Sentence. So what's our question?
How many stickers does Mary put on her page?
So what's your sentence going to be?
Mary put 35 stickers on her page.
Very good. Number 3, read it for me. Recycles. Cent, 4 cents. Can she recycle? Last week. Come work this one out for us. Make sure you do every part of the problem. Oh, I like how she's using her cube strategies. Thumbs up if you agree with Cabriana. Jalea. Yes, very good. Anybody have a hot question for Cabriana? Jalea? Bryce.
Why are there 5 rows of 6? Not why you couldn't do 6 rows of 5?
Because it says there are 5 rows of 6.
Mary puts stickers on a page in her sticker book. She puts them in 7 rows and 5 columns. How many stickers does Mary put on her page? Draw an array to show Mary's stickers. Okay, what's the next part of the problem that you have to do, Jenna? Multiplication sentence, very good. Jenna, tell us what you did to get that product so fast.
I counted by 5.
You counted by 5s. And can you answer the question? How many stickers does Mary put on her page? You can just tell us.
Mary puts 35 pictures in her
Stickers.
stickers on her page.
Very good job. Let's all give a clap for Jenna. Okay, one more problem we're going to do on the board. Draw an array that shows 7 rows of 7. Write a multiplication sentence for the array. Oh, I see some hands up here. They must have some hot questions for you. Find somebody. Maddie.
Why did you do it that way?
Why did you do it that way?
Because they have 7 rows with 7 in each end.
Okay. And it equals 49. Tell us how you got to 49 so fast.
I count by 7.
Let's count by 7 till we get to 49.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 50.
Very good. 49. Okay. Class.
Yes,
I need you to pack up your boards and pass them to your group leader.
Are you sure?
And you are going to choose the multiplication fact that you want to construct your array city. Okay? So you're going to work with your partner. I'm just going to give each group a stack of construction paper. You are going to construct a building, and the array that you choose is going to be the windows of your building. Okay? Person can do a window. Okay?
Or white.
This is 4 rows of 3. Very good. Y'all working hard. Good job.
So I'm just starting. Okay.
Good. Oh, I like that building, Aaron. Which one y'all chose? 4 rows of 3. Very good. And Amelia, tell us what you made. And what building is that? The White House. And who lives in the White House? The president. You're going to wait in line and add it to the city. Okay, and Taylor, tell me why you putting a green smiley face on there.
Because we're trying to put in and figure out the steps that I took into drawing the right side.
And how's your handwriting? You did your best? Very good. Turn it to the bin. Go read it. Stand in line. You are going to take your sticky note that your group leader gave you, And you are going to write and fill up that sticky note and tell me everything you learned today in our lesson. And when you finish it, you're going to slap it on our door and you're going to go to recess.